If you start crypto trading with $100 the way most beginners do, you're going to lose it. Not maybe, almost guaranteed. And no, it's not because crypto is rigged, as they say. It's because beginners do stupid things they don't even realize are stupid. Let me show you how not to be that guy. This is a crypto trading for beginners on Coinbase, starting with $100. The real way, not the TikTok fantasy where someone screenshots fake profits and sells you a course. I'm not promising riches. I'm showing you how people who actually survive crypto start. Reality check. First, brutal math. $100 does not change your life. It changes your skill level. If you're here for fast money, you already lost. If you're here to learn how markets move without blowing up, you're in the right place. So first of all, why Coinbase? Coinbase isn't elite. It's not advanced. It's expensive. And that's exactly why beginners should use it. It's regulated. It's simple. You're less likely to fat finger a trade and nuke your account. You're paying for guardrails, not alpha. What to trade? If you're a beginner and you're touching random altcoins, you're gambling, period. You stick to Bitcoin, Ethereum. Why? Because they don't randomly disappear, they have the most liquidity, and they won't wipe you out in a single candle. That's survival, not cowardice. How to use $100. Here's where most beginners mess up. They go all in. They market buy. They stare at the chart like it owes them money. Don't do that. Split your $100. $50 Bitcoin, $50 Ether. Use limit orders. Control your entries. If you don't know what that means, you're not ready to trade, and that's okay. Fees, the part everyone hides. Let's talk about fees because YouTubers lie. Coinbase will take a cut. With small accounts, fees hurt, and they can hurt bad. That's why you're not over trading. That's why every click matters. That's why patience beats action. Psychology, the real game. Crypto isn't charts, it's emotions. You will want to panic sell red candles, FOMO buy green candles, revenge trade losses. That's exactly how accounts die. If you can't sit still, you can't trade. Here's the metric nobody uses. If you can turn $100 into $110 without blowing up, you are winning. Because the goal isn't money yet, it's discipline. And discipline will always beat rapid action any day of the week. Most people never get that far. If you want fake profits, there are plenty of channels. If you want reality, stay here and subscribe for more content. See you later.